Friends, a very warm welcome to Ichche Aahar. Today I will show you how to make spicy paneer or paneer masala. Paneer is known as Indian cottage cheese. It is very common in South Asia, especially in India. Spicy paneer or paneer masala has a very delicious, mildly hot and spicy taste with unique flavors. If you like my today's video, then like it and share it with your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel Ichche Aahar and click the bell icon to get quick updates of my new videos. Now friends, let's see what ingredients are required for making Indian special spicy paneer or paneer masala recipe. Paneer Indian cottage cheese 250 grams. Red, yellow and green bell peppers 2 tablespoons each chopped. Green cardamom 4 pieces. Cloves 4 pieces. Cinnamon 1 stick. Onion paste 2 teaspoons. Garlic paste 3/4 teaspoon. Ginger paste 3/4 teaspoon. Green chilies chopped as per your requirement. Turmeric powder 3/4 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 2 teaspoon, tomato puree 2 tablespoons, Kashmiri red chili powder half teaspoon, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt as per taste, sugar as per taste, garam masala powder half teaspoon, beaten yogurt 2 tablespoons, green peas 1 tablespoon, chopped coriander leaves 1 tablespoon. Now let's see the process of making Indian special spicy paneer or paneer masala recipe. First, heat some refined oil in a karai. Add the bell peppers to the karai and shallow fry them. After frying them, keep them aside in a pot. Add all the marinated paneer to the karai and shallow fry them. After frying them, keep them aside in a bowl. Marinate the paneer with turmeric and Kashmiri red chili powder. Add whole garam masala to the karai. When they will splutter, add onion paste and fry for 1 minute. garlic paste to the karai and fry it for 1 minute. Add turmeric, coriander, cumin, black pepper, then Kashmiri red chili powder and ginger paste to the karai and mix them all very well and fry them for 30 seconds. Add tomato puree to the karai and mix it very well and fry it for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now add chopped green chilies and bitten yogurt to the karai and mix them very well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the oil separates from the spices. Now add the fried bell peppers and green peas to the karai and mix them very well. Now add salt and sugar as per your taste. Now we can see that the oil is separating from the spices. So now add a little bit water to the karai and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Now add the fried paneer to the karai and mix it very well with the spices, very slowly and carefully without breaking the paneer pieces. Cook it for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now add the chopped coriander leaves to the karai. Lastly, add garam masala powder to the karai and mix it very well and turn off the flame. So spicy paneer or paneer masala is perfectly ready to serve. Serve it with steamed rice, paratha, roti, fried rice or pulao. Try this special recipe at your home and serve it to your dear ones. I'm sure they'll praise you a lot, and don't forget to give me the feedback. Thanks for watching my video. I'll again come with a new interesting recipe video. So bye for now, take care and have a nice day.